Welcome to Vinobarn, your trusted source for wine education and recommendations. If you're new to wine culture, joining a wine club can be an excellent way to start expanding your knowledge and discovering new varietals in a guided manner. In today's video, we will provide an overview of 5 highly recommended wine clubs for beginners, outlining key details and considerations for each. Number 1, the California Wine Club's Premier Series. This club offers a wonderful introduction to boutique wines across California's renowned wine-growing regions, with monthly or quarterly shipments containing 2 expertly curated bottles. New members receive personalized selections of reds, whites, or a mix. Detailed tasting notes provide educational value, while a satisfaction guarantee ensures enjoyment. Though at a slightly higher price point, the quality and VIP winery access make it well worth the investment. Number 2, the Boxed Wine Club. For eco-conscious beginners, this club delivers an ingenious wine subscription model. The reusable wooden boxed starter kit and subsequent wine tote refills reduce packaging waste. With no membership fees and customizable shipment frequency, Boxed simplifies wine discovery. Member perks like personalized recommendations help navigate the extensive world of wine. Number 3. Francophiles will adore C'est la Vie from SomMailier, which spotlights exquisite French wines. Shipped quarterly, each curated selection of 3 bottles aims to transport members on an educational journey across France's famed winemaking terroir and appellations. The considered quantity makes it easy to fully appreciate each bottle. Number 4, the Plonk Wine Club. Those seeking wines produced with organic methods should consider this club. Plonk thoughtfully sources artisanal, biodynamic and organic wines from small vineyards worldwide. Members can tailor their subscription frequency and style preferences. Informative tasting notes focus on sustainably made varietals that avoid industrial additives. Number 5, Hall Family Wines Primary Colors. For an elevated wine club experience, this club grants access to exclusive Napa Valley releases. This premium club offers insider access with special member pricing, complimentary tastings and tours, plus opportunities to attend winery events. The quarterly allocation pricing provides exceptional value and prestige. We hope this beginner's guide has outlined helpful details on reputable wine clubs to ignite your wine passion. For detailed information on each of these wine clubs, visit the club links in this video's description. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe for additional Vinobarn Wine Club reviews.